Have you ever seen these before? They're called rock or stone pets. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own. It's really fun. And if you like this video, please subscribe because then I can share more fun stuff with you. Thanks for doing that. Now let's get started. You will need smooth, flat stones. The flatter the better. You will also need acrylic paints, paint brushes, paint knives, a sealant. Clear gloss varnish works best. A small container of water, paper towels, and a pencil are optional. The first step is to wash and dry your rocks. I washed mine in cold, soapy water, dried them off, and left them outside in the sun to make sure they were completely dry. Next, use a pencil to lightly draw an animal on the rock. If you don't want to draw, that's okay. You could just freehand it. Just remember to keep it simple. If you're drawing something with 4 legs, try to make the legs nice and thin. If you're drawing a face, try to make the face kind of oval-shaped so it looks good no matter which way the rock is sitting. Once you have drawn your design, set it to the side. Next, add a little bit of water to your small container. Add a few drops of dish soap. Doesn't matter what kind of soap you use. Next, dip your paintbrush into the water and add a little bit of paint. I'm painting the background of a ladybug, so I'm using red paint. Then take your paintbrush and start to fill in the background. Be careful not to go over the lines you drew earlier. Once you finish filling in the background, let it dry. Next, add another little bit of water to your container, but don't add any soap this time. Dip your paintbrush in the water and add some black paint. Then starting at the top of your rock, carefully add a line down the center of your design. Let it dry, and then add 2 more lines, one on each side of the center line. If you're making a ladybug like I am, these lines will be the stripes on the back. If you're making a different design, these lines might be the legs on your animal. Again, just keep it simple. Once you've added your lines, let it dry. Next, add a little bit of water to your container. Then add a tiny amount of white paint. Be careful not to add too much white paint, or else your paintbrush will and be able to hold it and the paint will drip off your rock. Dip your paintbrush in the water and add a little bit of black paint. Now starting at the bottom of your rock, carefully add a line up the center of your design. Let it dry. Add another line, but this time add it about ½ an inch from the first line. Continue adding lines all the way to the top of your rock. If you're making a ladybug like I am, these lines will be the spots on the wings. If you're making a different design, these lines could be the body of your animal. Once again, just keep it simple. Let it dry. Now it's time to add the details. If you are making a ladybug like I am, add 2 small circles at the top of the wing for the eyes. Then add a small oval shape for the head. Connect the head to the body with a small line. Paint the legs black and add a small circle for the belly. If you are making a different animal, add the details that you need for your particular design. The very last step is to add the gloss varnish. This will protect your rock from scratches and make the colors look even brighter. Use a clean paintbrush to apply the varnish. Let it dry and admire your beautiful new rock pet. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.